What's the meaning of bar graph? Bar graph. Bar graph.
Bar graph. Bar graph. A bar graph is a type of chart used to display data in an easy-to-understand format. It consists of a series of bars, each representing a different category or value, that are typically arranged horizontally or vertically. The length or height of each bar corresponds to the magnitude of the data it represents. Bar graphs are useful for comparing data across different categories or values, and can help identify trends or patterns in the data. They are commonly used in business, science, and education to present information to a wide range of audiences, and are often included in reports, presentations, and other forms of communication.